Hi, welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will tell you how to delete all posts on X. First of all, you have to know that X doesn't have a built-in bulk delete button. Instead, there are two main ways how you can do that, and the first one is manually delete all the posts that you want to be removed from your X profile. And the second way is to use third-party tools, for example, TweetDelete or TweetDeleter. Here I have in my browser opened this TweetDeleter website, but pay attention that most of these third-party tools are not free, and you usually have to pay for unlimited or large-scale deletions. So let me show you how to manually delete posts from X. You have to tap your profile picture at the top left and go to your profile. So now in the tab that is called Posts, you want to find a specific post that you want to be deleted from your X account, from your X profile, and you have to tap three-dot button next to it, next to that post, and select option Delete Post, and confirm your decision by tapping Delete button. And that's how you delete your post from X account. So you have to repeat for every single post. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.